Hey guys, we shall discuss about system stability here, and the system is said to be stable if for every bounded input it should give us the bounded output. I mean to say, a system is said to be bounded input, bounded output, stable. What is bounded input, bounded output? I will let you know later. In short, we call it as BIBO. Okay, stable if and only if for every bounded input the system should result in a bounded output. Okay, let me convince you with a graphical representation. Say I have a system which does some transformation. Okay, so a system is said to be stable for every bounded input if I apply an input x of t and it is bounded. When I say it is bounded, its magnitude, in the sense amplitude of the input signal, should be always less than or equal to uh, some value b x. B stands for bounded, x stands for the input signal x. Okay, so magnitude of x of t, in the sense the amplitude of the input signal should be less than or equal to some value bx, and this bx should be always less than infinity. So mathematically, bounded input we represent like this: magnitude of x of t less than or equal to bx, and bx is less than infinity. Okay, so for every bounded input, if I apply this kind of bounded input to the system which does some transformation t, the output y of t should also be bounded, in the sense the amplitude of the output from the system should be less than or equal to some value, bounded value by. And what is by? B stands for bounded and y stands for the output signal y of t, and this value by should be always less than infinity. Okay, so mathematically we represent bounded output like this. I repeat again, a system is said to be stable or bounded input bounded output stable if and only if for every bounded input, when I say bounded input, it is nothing but the amplitude of the input signal should remain finite of some value bx. Okay, so for every bounded input I should get the bounded output. And again, what is bounded output? Amplitude of the output signal from the system should be always finite value of by. Fine. In